Welcome. If you want to record sounds on your Samsung Galaxy A40, let's go for the Play Store. Right now we have to tap on the search and type here recorder. Maybe we can get the Samsung voice recorder. So let's click on it, tap on the install. Right now we can open it, click all a few times, and all you have to do is just to click on this button, and right now the smartphone is recording voices. So when you pause it, click on OK, we can just finish with this button on the right side. Here you can name your record, also set the category, and tap on the save. That's all. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.